Hey Ray, this is Scott with Impact Latent SEO. Morgan gave me your number and said that we should talk. And I wanted to make this video to kind of show you some things I do and what I've been helping with a few other auto glass companies with for them as well. So I really like your website right here. Love the logo, and it looks very professional, nice and clean. But one thing I would really recommend for your website is to have more content. The reason I say that is because you want to have 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, because Google loves content. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords, and that means to me a location and also a service. So, like windshield repair, Chandler, windshield replacement, Chandler, those are all buyer intent keywords. And then if you save your images correctly, instead of it saying, oh good, you do have windshield replacement, so that's good. But that counts as content behind there as well. So that's a good start, but it could also have a location on top of it, and that should be a much better buyer intent keyword. I do use a tool called Ahrefs, and this will give me your analytics and kind of show me where you're setting. For your homepage, you're at 731 words. Right here, your domain rating and your URL rating is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and they go, you want to have them go continuously moving up and also balanced whenever possible. And you're currently at 0 for both because of your referring pages and domains, and what those are backlinks. And if you don't know what a backlink is, that's not a problem. It's when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. And it looks like you're being indexed for about 100 keywords, and you're getting about 17 people to your website each and every month. With it being under 100, your website's acting like a digital business card as opposed to an online lead generating tool. And so that's just something you could also take into consideration. But looking into your keywords here, well, it says lost, it's probably not. This is just a third-party tool, but you are in second position for your name, Gold Star Auto Glass, which is good because some people don't even rank for their own name. But like windshield replacement Chandler, there's 200 searches. You're on the second page of Google, and it says you're getting 2 people to your website each month, and those are probably marketers. But when you start ranking for 200 and 200, those are the types of buyer intent keywords that we want to get you in front of, especially Queen Creek RV glass replacement. That'd be a great one to have some leads for, because I know how much RV glass repairs cost, or especially replacements. But those are the types of buyer intent keywords that you want to get in front of, so that when they search your name, like right here, you show up on the top. And what I've done for a couple of companies so far is I have been helping with their Google ads, and they have I've taken over a couple national companies, and I have done better and gotten better leads and gotten the leads that the people wanted as well. And obviously we never want to deal with safe light, so yeah. But being up in the Google ads section up here is a great way to generate business quickly, because you don't have to rank for anything, you just have to have your ads perform. And if your ads perform correctly and convert, then you will be generating leads. So that's like one of the main things that I've been doing for most of these companies, but I've also been helping with their Google Business Profile and also ranking their websites. But looking right here in the Google Business Profile, you're not up here right now, and that's totally fine. There are great ways to get in there, are to add reviews constantly. Make sure that your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet, so you don't mislead Google. And then adding your name, address, and phone number into directories, or having a citation is what they're called, into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp is really beneficial, because the more you're out in the internet as those exact name, address, and phone number, the more Google will start to trust you, and that's not just in your local area, but then it could move out into Glendale and into the greater Phoenix area and everything like that too. Another great thing to do for here is to add geotag, branded, or geolocated photos weekly, just to show Google that you're growing your business organically as well. And about 30 to 40% of the traffic stops right here, because they don't go down here because they know that you're close. So that's why you'd want to rank for here. And then we would go into the organics, and this is where your website could rank. And it looks like Safe Pro Auto Glass is one of your top competitors for the windshield replacement Chandler. And looking at their page right here, they do have a little bit more content, but let's see. Oh, no, a little bit more. So you have more. But they might have better authoritative content by having those, Chandler. They have Chandler all over the place. Chandler windshield replacement is in their header. So those are great things to have as well. But if we just look for, and this is just for Chandler, I mean, we could look at other locations like Gilbert and Scottsdale and things that are close by. But you're looking right here, there's 880 searches for windshield replacement or some sort of auto glass replacement or repair for all of Chandler. And when you start to outrank your competitors by having that authoritative content, the backlinks and citations, you'll start to outrank them. And a percentage of these total volumes will start going to your website instead of theirs. And a percentage of the people going to your website will start to give you a call, and then that will turn to your customer depending on your closing rate. So Ray, I hope that this is informational for you, and I'd love to chat more, see what your goals are for your company. Give me a call back when you're done watching this video. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye.